Welcome to EPEX SPOT, the largest exchange for physical power trading in Europe. Let's discover the steps you need to take to start power trading on our platforms. Our dedicated sales and membership teams will accompany you throughout the onboarding process. We offer a wide range of markets to trade in across Europe. For each of the markets you want to subscribe to, you need a balance responsible party agreement with the corresponding TSO. You can either directly sign a BRP agreement with the TSO or delegate this responsibility to another company. Next is about REMIT Compliance. To trade EU markets at EPEX, make sure to register with your national regulator to request an ASA code and apply for a European Community VAT ID. If your company is located outside the EU, you need a legal representative in an EU country. Note that if you're trading only in the UK or Switzerland, you don't need an EU legal representative. Then you need a dedicated clearing account with ECC, our partner clearing house. ECC settles and secures all your transactions at EPEX SPOT. In addition, trading on other exchanges with the broad network of ECC cleared markets provides you with strong synergies and cross-commodity advantages. Now let's go through our different clearing membership options. If you want to trade spot only, you may become a direct clearing participant. You are a direct member of the clearinghouse in partnership with a connected bank for the pre-collateralization of your transactions at EPEX SPOT. If you plan to trade spot and derivatives, opt for a non-clearing member setup. Here, your connection to ECC is made through one of its connected clearing members. Clearing is done based on post-margining. If you don't need your own clearing setup, our Passport membership is a fit. You directly trade on our systems while a market access provider supports you via its own clearing setup. Once your clearing status is set, our Know Your Customer process follows. This ensures a safe trading environment for all members. The technical setup finalizes the process. We offer various services and technical options to best fit your needs, from web-based solutions to APIs and cross-connect offers. All your registered traders need to pass the EPEX SPOT Trader exam. A dedicated e-learning module is available on our webshop. We look forward to having you join the EPEX SPOT trading community.